So finally, there is something to cheer about in this difficult period which we all are facing due to COVID-19. The reason for this is the announcement of IPL 2020, scheduled to begin from 19th of September. In this short video, we will go through the IPL schedule that has been announced today by the Indian Premier League Governing Council. Shortly, we will be sharing our views regarding the prospects of various teams to win the IPL crown.
Dream 11 is the title sponsor for this IPL 2020. Dream 11, founded in 2008, is a fantasy sports platform based in India that allows users to play fantasy cricket, hockey, football, kabaddi, and basketball. The IPL 2020 will be held at UAE at 3 different venues that include Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Sharjah. The most important thing to note for the IPL lovers are the match timings. The morning matches will start at 3:30 pm Indian Standard Time and the evening matches at 7:30 pm Indian Standard Time. So all of the cricket lovers out there, plan your office hours and evening schedules accordingly.
The IPL season will kickstart on 19th September in Abu Dhabi with a blockbuster clash between the defending champions, that is Mumbai Indians, and the Chennai Super Kings. So this match will be an evening match starting at 7:30 pm Indian Standard Time. So it will be MS Dhoni versus Rohit Sharma. There will be 8 teams competing for IPL trophy this season. The Kings 11 Punjab will be led by the dashing Indian opener KL Rahul. Delhi Capitals, earlier known as Delhi Daredevils, will be led by Shreyas Iyer. Rohit Sharma, the Mumbai's local lad, will lead the Mumbai Indians. Dinesh Karthik will lead the Kolkata Knight Riders. And the cricket lovers will have another chance to see MS Dhoni once again leading the Chennai Super Kings. The present Indian captain Virat Kohli will lead the Royal Challengers Bangalore. There will be 2 foreign captains this season, with Kane Williamson leading the Sunrisers Hyderabad and Steven Smith leading the Rajasthan Royals.
The next 5 slides will show the schedule of 56 matches starting from 19th September to 3rd November in detail. During the schedule of first 13 days from 19th September to 1st October, there will be only one match per day at 7:30 pm Indian Standard Time. The next 14 matches from 2nd October to 11th October will have 4 double headers on 3rd, 4th, 10th and 11th October. The good thing is that these double headers are at weekends. There will be evening matches on all days except the days of double headers, where one match will start at 3:30 pm Indian Standard Time. The schedule from 12th October to 21st October will have 12 matches, with double headers on 17th and 18th of October. The next 11 matches will be from 22nd of October to 30th of October, having 2 double headers on 24th and 25th of October. The last 6 matches will be held from 31st of October to 3rd November. These 6 matches include 2 double headers on 31st of October and 1st of November. The venues for playoffs and the final will be announced later on. I hope the situation improves in India and we are able to watch these playoffs and the grand finale in India. Though these are my personal views, but I know that a lot of people would pray for the same. That's all for the IPL updates. We would like to apprise you all that this is basically an educational channel for management students. But as we know that cricket is the most widely loved and played game by every Indian, so we felt the need of sharing this information. Management people need to be all-rounders and well informed about surroundings. Do share your feedback, as your views will give us encouragement to make such out of the box videos in future.